In the heart of Igbo land, a tale of strength and devotion unfolded. Mgbeke, the wife of Okafor, stood as a rock, unwavering in her determination to her family. Growing up alongside with her father, she learned the art of family management and resilience. When she married Okafor, the only son, she became the target of the family members' bleeding. They sought to exploit Okafor's humility, but Mgbeke would have none of it. With unwavering determination, she defended her husband's property. Turning the ire of his family despite the challenges, Mgbeke remained steadfast, always showing respect to Okafor and working tirelessly to secure their family future. The family members' hatred only fueled her resolve. As their family grew, Mgbeke gave birth to 3 sons and 2 daughters. Years passed, and she continued to be the pillar of strength. One day, she approached her husband with an unusual request to marry another wife. Okafor was taken back, but Mgbeke's persistence eventually over. To everyone's surprise, Mgbeke uses her own resources to facilitate the marriage, revealing her strategic thinking. We have many lands, and with more children, we can claim our rightful property, she said. The family grew, and with time, they all came to celebrate Mgbeke's wisdom and strength. The family became a symbol of peace and honor. Thanks to Mgbeke's unbreakable spirit, she proven that a strong woman can be the foundation upon which a family's property is built. Okafor's family members, who once sought to undermine them, now look on with admiration. Mgbeke's legacy lived on, inspiring generations to come. Her story serves as a testament to the power of determination, love, and strategic thinking.